So the next tab at the top is the quiz tab, and I use this all the time. I think this is a really nice tool for formative and summative assessment. Now we're going to get into this in more detail in a little while, but we're going to go ahead and click Create Quiz, and you give your quiz a name, and then you can start adding questions by choosing the category of question that you want, and then you can quite honestly just write from scratch. If you've had quizzes made before, you can load quiz questions from a question bank. But again, we're going to get to that in a little bit. What I want to talk about next is the poll, and this is just a real quick way of getting some general information from your class to see, if they're for or against something, or how many people did this, and were you able to do X, Y, Z, and then they can answer that question. So, for example, so probably write, have you replaced RAM? Have you replaced RAM in a computer? Yes or no? And then you can send it out, and then you'll see how that actually works here in a few minutes, because I'll end up logging back in as a student. I'm going to take a couple quizzes, and then I'll let you see I'll answer the poll. So that's kind of a nice way to just get some general information. You can use polls in a lot of different ways. But again, there's a dedicated section for the quizzes, which we'll discuss later on.